First, modify the name of top plane to bottom plane. Then create a new plane by offsetting 400 from the bottom plane. And modify the name to top plane. Then create a new sketch, draw a circle, and set the diameter as 910 millimeters. Then extrude by 10 and reverse the direction. Next, create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a supply. Make the bottom point to be horizontal with the 0 point. And set this distance as 380 millimeters. And the bottom one is 220. Then adjust the curve. Next, go to Features, select Swept, select a circular profile and set the diameter as 8 and uncheck Merge Result. Next, go to Direct Editing, Split, select the bottom face and the curve load, cut the bodies, and select the body to delete. And check Consumer Cut Bodies. After that, create a new sketch on the front plane. First, go to Intersection Curves and select the curve load. And modify these two curves to be construction geometry. Then draw 3 circles. Make 3 circles to be equal. Make the bottom one to be tangent with the bottom plane. And make 3 circles to be tangent with the curves. Next, set the diameter as 8 and set the distance as 80. This one to be 30. Finish this sketch. Next, create a new axis. Select a face and 0 point. Next, revolve the 3 circles. Select the axis. Click to confirm. Next, go to circular pattern. Select the axis and select the curve load. Set the quantity as 90 and click to confirm. Then add a chamfer on the tabletop. Choose asymmetric chamfer and set a radius as 3 and 20. Confirm it. Now we have a full model of this table. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.